Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. In this presentation, I will be explaining two very important components found in the smooth tube boiler. So, which are the furnace and the burner. These two parts work closely together to ensure that the boiler operates safely, efficiently, and reliably. Okay, then we will go to the function of the furnace in the smoke tube boiler. So let me begin. Okay, the furnace is the heart of the boiler. It is a specially designed chamber where the entire combustion process takes place. When the burner supplies the fuel and ammunition, the furnace will provide the space for the flame to form and develop. One of the main functions of the furnace is to create a controlled environment for burning. It has to be large enough to allow the flame to fully develop, but also strong enough to handle high temperature without any risk of damage. This control space ensures the fuel burns completely and efficiently. Inside the furnace, the burning fuel will produce a very hot gas. This gas can play an important role because they are the main source of the boiler. The furnace then guides these hot gases towards the smoke tube, where the heat is transferred to the surrounding water. This process will eventually generate steam. And then, for another important function of the furnace is protecting the boiler tube. A well-designed furnace will prevent the flame from directly touching the tube surface, and if the flame were hit to the tube, it could cause an overheating, tube damage, or even unsafe boiler operation. So the furnace helps maintain proper flame position and safe temperature distribution. Finally, the furnace also ensures that the flow of the hot gas is smooth and efficient. By directing the gas through the smoke tubes, it helps maximize heat transfer and improve the overall efficiency of the boiler. So next, we will go to the burner, which is another key component in the combustion system. So the burner is responsible for preparing the fuel to enter the furnace. The first thing the burner does is will atomize the fuel, which means breaking the fuel oil into a fine droplet. This is important because fine droplet will burn more efficiently and produce a cleaner flame. Next, the burner mixes the fuel droplet with the correct amount of air. If the air supply is too little, the combustion will complete and causing the smoke or soot and waste fuel. If the air supply is too much, the flame becomes weak and the energy is lost. So, getting the right air-fuel ratio is crucial for efficient boiler operation. So, another major role of the burner is to ignite the mixture using an ignition system such as spark plug or pilot flame. So, once the flame is established, the burner must maintain a stable and continuous combustion. The burner also controls the shape, size, and direction of the flame. So a stable flame must stay fully inside the furnace without touching the wall or tubes. This will ensure the safety and prevent damage. Also will maintain the efficiency of the heat transfer. Lastly, the burner also allows the operator to control the heat output by adjusting the amount of fuel and air that is supplied to the burner. So this is very important in keeping the boiler steam production at the required level, depending on the loads and the operational needs. So to conclude the furnace and burner are two components that must work perfectly together. The furnace provides the safe combustion phase and direct the hot gas for steam regeneration, while the burner ensures the fuel is properly atomized, mixed, ignited, and controlled. So understanding this role of this compound is essential for everyone working in the marine boilers or industrial steam system. So I also want to say thank you for listening. I hope this explanation will help you understand the combustion process more clearly.